Hey, hi. Hey, hello all. So, I hope I'm audible. Today we are going to see something cool, really cool. Let me know if I'm audible to everyone. Today we'll see. Actually, today I'll just clear all the concept that how you can connect any tool with Claude. After this, you will not have any questions, any doubt. That's where we'll focus. And I have created this particular file also for you guys, so you can see exactly how I work. Hey, Fantos, hi. I'll just show you like how technical things you needed. Almost zero. Nothing. No one needed now to create MCP, connect MCP, connect with any tool. Anything that can be done. So I'll show you two real use cases also. The first one is how you can connect with entire Google space and how you can connect with any kind of CRM also that I'll also show you. But you can connect it to entire world if they have proper API connections, whether it is a Facebook ad, whether it is Google ad, marketing, anywhere. Fine. And this is a good file that already I created. So even you can just go through this and you will able to use it in a real time. So before that, let me show you also if I'll open my Claude. So here you can see this is my Claude desktop. Okay. And here I can go, I can ask, hey, can you tell my recent emails? And this is basic one, of course. We can do something more better. Okay, fine. The Gmail connection token has expired, been revoked. You'll need to authenticate. Fine, we'll do that. Uh, can you check Zoho CRM connection? You can see it's asking always allow. Okay, so right now here you can see, so okay, Zoho CRM is okay connected and Gmail, that's fine. I'll show you exactly how we can do that. So meanwhile we'll connect. Meanwhile, let me ask, tell me in just last 5 days how many number of leads we received, or see, CRM, and you will see it is going to answer. in a real time. Okay, so you can see it is properly answering me all these things. How this is doing? So if I'll show you, if I'll take you here, and even if I'll show you here as well, here you can see, just click on plus, and here we do have what? We do have connectors. So you can see all these connectors available: Drive, Excalibur, Gamma, N10, Vercel, agent loadouts, Claude, email automations, Google Calendar, Google Sheet. These kind of things we can connect. Few tools already by natively available, so you can do that. Few tools we need to create on our own. That's where the MCP concept will come. If it is already available, click connect, that's fine. If it is not, in that case, you can create all those connections. I'll show you also. Check my N18 workflow. It's just requesting, and you can see. Can you see? Right? Health point. We need to fix this. That's fine. We can do that. What more we can show you right now? We have Gamma. We have email. We have agent loadouts also. Agent loadout is something that I locally connected with my system. So anything if I'm using in my VS Code, so can you tell few things using our agent loadout MCP, and all the context that it is having, it is going to give us that context also. Okay, it is live. Here's the quick summary of what you have got. 40 loadouts total across 4 tiers: master, AI with Dhruv, quota hit agents, premium agents, and all your central AIOS free. Okay, what quota hit does? Can you tell? So right now, guys, you all have seen we have just opened a new chat, and I'm able to discuss with my docs, with my context, with my memory, with my file, anything I'm able to do. How? Because I connected through MCP, my local system also. So it has all the data that is available in my local file directly. See, this is the benefit. This is so cool, because this is where the entire system were lacking, right? So you can see now it has taken all the context from where? From our agent loadout. So if I'll show you agent loadouts, here you can see the connectors. Here you can see the connectors. Even it's with Supabase also, where here agent loadouts. Okay, and it is getting context from my local. So the same way, here you can see, you can go, you can click connectors, or you can click on manage connector. So I'll show you. That's how the interface looks like. So either you can create multiple, you can see kind of multiple MCPs like I have created, or you can connect if they have anything available. So let me click browse plugins. You can see these are few plugins they already have. Okay, that's fine. Let me just go back. So once we go in setting, here we do have connectors. Here we can click browse connectors. So you can see few connectors already available. We do not need to connect with so many things. And they are adding day by day, Notion, Gmail. So even let me connect with this also, why it's creating an issue. So you will able to see this has opened this particular browser, and all I can do, I can go here, I can continue, I can choose my email, I can again continue, select all, open Claude, and this is done. So Just let me close this. Let me open again this Claude. And now if I'll ask, hey, can you tell me about my email? And now you will see it's now able to fetch the details because right now I have connected. Okay, you can see. Okay, always allow. This is cool, right? Now it has given the proper answer. uh, can you send email to dhruv7008 at the rate gmail.com? Tell him, even I can use my voice also. Yeah, so just tell him live class is going on, can you join right now, the Claude live class at your on YouTube. Hey, can you hear me? So you will able to see it is going to message also. To Dhruv, send. Okay, want me to go ahead? Yes, send it. And now you will see send an email, and the email also send. Okay. Used creating drafts, not sending. Okay, I'll show you that also. So here just I was showing you these are two methods. With the help of that, you can connect your Claude desktop. The first one is available tools. You can click over here. You can check each and everything. Just click and connect. Okay, like here, N18 is also there. That is easy just to connect. And second method, then you can add your own MCPs like I have added over here. So if I'll show you, you can say multiple MCPs are there. N18 MCP, email, Google Calendars, Google Sheet, Superbase, Super Social Media Agent, Zoho CRM. On-site ads is also there. So technically, I have connected with my Facebook ad as well. If you wanted to see that, that can be also done. Okay, so these are the method. With the help of that we can connect. So where it is going to help you, it is going to help you with proper context, with proper file. Just done. Yeah, so it is going to help you with proper concept, proper file. Okay, now let me give you some theoretical part as well, and then we'll see how you can create, how you can connect all these things. Fine. Any question till now, guys? Okay, just to connect with Claude desktop, that's how we can do, either through direct connector or either through MCPs. How you will create MCPs, how you can do all those things that I'm going to tell you. Fine. So what is MCP exactly? Model Context Protocol. Think of it like a USB port for AI. Your phone has a charging port. You can plug it in charger, a data cable, headphone. The port does not care what device it is. It's just connector. Simple. MCP is the same thing for AI. It's a standard port. Any tool that speaks MCP can plug into any AI that supports MCP. So we can connect with n number of tool that is available. Gmail, yes. Database, yes. Google Sheet, yes. Your own custom script, yes. One protocol, infinite tools. Without MCP, you send email. AI, here's how you would send an email. Just text. With MCP, you send email. AI use Gmail tool. Email actually send. So that's how it happens. Okay, send email AI. Here's how you send an email. Just text. With MCP, send email AI, just Gmail tool, and then that's how it does. Okay, so how this works. Okay, so here you can see natural language. Read my email. It will go to Claude Desktop. Claude Desktop, what it will do? It is going to check the MCP protocol. Here you can see multiple MCP protocol. And now because we are asking for Gmail, so it is going to go to Gmail tool. If Gmail is available with these tools, then it is going to check all these Gmail tool. Then if it is calendar, of course, go and check calendar tool. If it is sheets, go check sheets, and then Google APIs. How we can get that? I'll show you. So if all these thing is available, you can interact with your Gmail, calendar, Google Sheet anywhere. Now Claude Code CLI. So this is a second method that we will be using also. So I can show you. You can use inside VS Code, and that is best. That's how I am using entire AI now. I do not need to go here inside Google desktop also. I'm just using entire Claude Code CLI inside VS Code. You can use anti-gravity also, and that's where we can get all the information, each and everything. So what will happen? Claude Code CLI, MCP protocol, Supabase 6 tools, that's fine. MCP protocol, MongoDB 7 tool. And it is going to database API and it is going to connect. Cursor or VS Code, here you can see VS Code, MCP protocol, AWS S3 6 tool. So you can see we can use anywhere. So these are clients, right? These are clients where we are going to use these MCPs. Cursor, VS Code, anywhere we can use. The best part. So we have shown how we can use in Claude Desktop. How to create that I'll show you, because you need to connect as well. That is important. How you can connect those MCP tools and all. But we'll be using in, I'll show you in VS Code as well. So inside that we'll use Claude Code CLI, and that's how we'll give command and we'll see. Quick start. Even this particular system you can use. Okay, install a fast MCP, pip install and all. Create your first MCP server. So that's how it looks like. You can see, right? Just copy this and go and tweak, and you will able to see from mcp.server and all. MCP equal to fine. You do not need to even think. Just go add it, and you will able to run properly. Then that's your MCP server. 3 tools, 20 lines. Okay, you can see these are the tools available already. Add numbers, current time, greet, these things. Now that's your MCP server, 3 tools. Step 3, connect. Find your configuration file platform. Claude Code Desktop Mac. So you need to configure that. Claude Desktop Windows, Cursor, Claude Code. Add this to the configuration. Replace path with yours. Okay, so MCP server, hello world, command, argues. That's fine. Test it with, fine. How an MCP server works. Every MCP server follows the same simple pattern. AI reads server name. Okay, server name, docstring, when to use, hype hints, what to pause. So here, fast MCP name, MCP tool define, which is the tool is being defined, then MCP tool define tools, and then 3, the MCP run, transcript and all. So that's how it works. 5 things to know. Fast MCP name, what it does, gives your server a name. AI sees this. At the rate MCP.tool makes any function available to AI. Type hints, str hints, AI reads these to know what to pass. Doc strings, AI reads. This is decide when to use these kind of tools. So this is of course a technical part. Just I'm explaining you so you can also understand. You can go and read with this particular file as well. This is available in GitHub. AI agent, you're on main live class. So you will able to file. Okay, 3 ways to use MCP. Already I have shown you. Claude Desktop, Claude Code CLI, Cursor, VS Code, and I'll show you how you can do that as well. So inside your editor, best for coding projects, ID like experience. One server, three clients, same configuration format everywhere. Okay, level up. Real Gmail MCP server. Once your Hello World work, connect to the actual Gmail. Google Cloud setup. So this is what we need that I'll show you to connect with servers. This is what we need to see and check. Okay. Then install dependencies. That's how you can go and you can process. And I'll show you how I did that. These all things is being written by, of course, Claude Code, the way that I created. Then authentication, of course, it's all needed. And then create Gmail MCP server. If you want code here, already all the codes are available which you can use directly. Add to configuration test, and it is done. Multi-server chaining, the real magic. Connect multiple servers and let AI orchestrate your instructions. Read my emails and save them to spreadsheet. It will go to Gmail, it will go to sheet, and yeah, it can do one instructions, three tool, zero code. AI figuring chan and all these things, fine. All at MCP server we build. So here, with the help of this particular file, you will able to connect with Gmail, Calendar, Sheet, Superbase, MongoDB, AWS S3, Azure, social media, with any tool. All you need to do, auth, Google Auth API key, connection string, AWS credentials, connection string, auth plus meta. Okay, here auth plus meta if you wanted to connect with Google ad and Facebook ad. What it does: read, send, search, mark emails, event schedules, create, delete, read, write, append, create, and all these kind of things. It can create all the queries and file and each and everything. Okay, so total 50 tools you can give to AI. Full step guide, already I added this particular file as well, which you can go and you can see. You will able to see. Okay, tables of content fit up. So even if you click here, architecture, all server setup, Google services, mail, calendar, and all, and here you will able to see step by step guide how you need to do that. I'll show you as well, but you can see here you have step by step guide. Then you can just, even you can give this particular my report to AI and it is going to help you. Exercise, build your own, pick one. Calculator, beginner, so you can do that also. Option to file manager, intermediate, you can do that. Whether intermediate, so you can also test and try on your own. Once I'll show this, so you will able to see, you will able to build your own MCPs also. Like this one, calculator, file manager, and then weather. After building, add it to your configuration file, desktop and all, restart and test by chatting. Share a screenshot, that done. Common issues, problem, server not found and all. Path in configuration must be absolute, not relative. Server not found. Permission denied. Check Python 3, path run which Python 3. Server does not show. Restart Claude desktop completely. Quit or reopen. No module name MCP. Run pip install MCP CLI. If you are facing these issues, that's how you can solve. Okay. Then JSON syntax error. Validate dot JSON it. Tool not appearing. Check the doc string existing. Fine. The self-building loop. You describe tool, Claude Code writes the MCP server. So that's how I did. Okay. That's how I did. Here you can see, you describe a tool. For example, we have to connect with Gmail's or like MongoDB or AWS, wherever. Claude Code writes the MCP server. You do not need to do manually. You add to configure. That's all you need to do. That's your standards comes only nowadays. It's in AI. AI can use the new tool. Okay, and AI become, so if I'll show you, AI become more capable. All right. So AI builds its own tools. You describe what you need. Claude Code writes the MCP server. You plug it, and AI just got new ability repeat. How this was built? The raw prompt. So this is exactly I'm showing you how I build it. So you will able to connect it. Okay, I do not use any kind of technical knowledge over here. I just connect those things. Rest I just give random prompt and it is going to build for me. It is free. So you need to use, so if you want, you can everything. If you can do all this technical thing on your own, I have given proper guidance, proper code. You do and go use, connect with your VS Code and try. But desktop, the Claude desktop, you need to pay. You at least you guys need to take a pro plan. That what it is important. So if you have taken a pro plan, then you will able to use it. And it is important, like anyone who wanted to go with AI, you wanted to build something that is very very authentic, go and buy, invest $20. Until unless you are you are not in, that is a month, that is for a month, and that is more than enough to build any project, and you will be in like next place. So if you ask me, Dhruv, I have to go and I have to buy a, like lakh rupees of courses for to study for next 1 year 2 year. No, just go and buy this $20 plan and just see the possibilities. Just see if you wanted to learn about AI, about it, about anything. Can you do this with this or not? Even you do not know anything. So yeah, that's how, just learn, do practice, and pay Claude. So Claude, you need to pay $20, then you will able to use it, and then we'll able to do all these things. Okay. Now, how I build it, see, everything in this class, the 8 MCP server, the Claude desktop setup, the Zoho CRM integration, the Facebook ad dashboard, even the read.me, we was built using AI. Yes, everything I was reading, I used AI to build. And that's where the real picture comes. And this is where you all need to be smart. Do not get confused. Do not do any kind of thing. Just use AI to get a better result. Okay. So even if I'll show you here as well. Hey, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah. So right now here you can see also, I'm just giving you an example in front of you live. Okay, this is 2. So yeah, so this is what I wanted to show you. I needed a kind of system so I can speak and I can write. I built it on my own. That took just a day, no, not even day, less than that time, right? And this is where I'm going to show you the real picture. After this, I'll show you how to connect. That is very small part, but that's how I do. Prompt 1, discovering MCP was missing. Okay. After building 28 skill agents loadout system, I asked Claude Code to check alignment with current standards. Great. Just for information, which types of loadouts we are using and how it allowed, that's fine. Then results. Claude identifies MCP as a gap. So see, can you see guys, even if I do not know about MCP, how you can think with AI. So this is the same part started with AI. Look at here, discovering MCP was missing. Great, just for information, which types of loadouts we are missing and how it aligns with current standards and technology, and what are the plan for future upgrades. So I asked my AI, we have skills, we have so many things, what we are missing, so we can make our system better and better. We can make our system AI better. Results, Claude identified MCP as a gap. We had skills, but no protocol for AI to use them directly. Can you see? This was the issue. So right now, if you able to see, my Claude desktop is able to talk to my local system with proper context. How? Because of MCP. And this is exactly AI answered me. We had skills, but no protocol for AI to use them directly. This was the missing skill. Fine. Okay. This one prompt triggered building the entire MCP infrastructure. I pointed Claude to gesting your own MCP work and told it to implement at the system level. Okay, let's fix all what we recommended first, then we can work on other things terms whenever needed. Best part, I already added something cool. You can see this is my raw prompt which I given to AI, so it build MCP for me. Check your own file inside that GenAI2, and inside that the file that all about MCP already did a lot of work. So you can check that and then use your brain to implement at a main level. Advanced, you can use, you can see unstructured prompt, right? Add all the other things, skills, agent, loadouts, everything step by step. I want my system best, so we can more focus on making money before it do anything, right? So this is the exact prompt I have given. The same way you can copy this particular repo that is public, and you give it to AI and you put it also. I want to create MCP for myself. Let's do that, and you will see the magic. You do not need to do anything. Anyone can do that. Then Claude check the existing 8 Euron MCP server, which we created again with again the same prompt, which you can just copy and paste and give this prompt, and you will able to see it is going to create also for you, because already I created a lot for you, studied the fast MCP pattern and all. And even if it is not available, you can ask, research, and let me know how we can create MCP servers and all, and it is going to do it for you. Connect to Claude desktop. Before that, what I need to inside Claude already is downloaded. If you want, I can attach that, that's fine. Now, can we integrate using MCP so you can direct access all these things? Because even last touch query, I'm okay, that's fine. Yes, Joho CRM, and also you can see it connected each and everything. We have read all these things. Very, very raw prompt I have given. You can see when I connected with my N8 also, it has given. So I added all those prompt, the raw prompt that I talked to AI to build these things. So what was built the full time? Check your own MCP, implement at main level, agent loadouts, MCP servers, that's fine. What is agent loadouts? Actually, this is my own concept. So what happens? Uh, there is skills, that's fine. Skill is a fixed thing. Skill is a very, very fixed things. But what if your system need to learn again and again on its own, right? Every single time we are going to give more and more context. So we have agent. Let me show you. So here you can go, you can check also. Again, this is my own concept. So skill was there, everything was there, okay. But there is agent loadouts. Here you can see everyone has AI. The difference is how you load it, okay. So a soldier with 10 guns who does not know how to load any of them loses just to a soldier with one loaded gun. That's most people with AI right now, right? For just I'm using for learning purpose, of course. So when you open ChatGPT, Claude, or any AI tool, it knows nothing about you, your business, your project, your preferences, your code. You start from zero every single time. Agent loadouts fix this. So a loadout is a folder or file that gives AI everything it needs to be your expert. Who you are, what you are, your current projects, your skills, your memory, rules for how to talk. So you drop the folder into your projects, AI reads it now. Now it's not a generic chatbot, it's your assistant that knows your business, your code, your clients. And you can say, I did my screenshot also. So you can check how I use this kind of loadout. You can see this is the main concept in the world right now. Everyone is having Claude, everyone can pay $20. If you are not able to pay, still people are able to pay. Then how you can make it work for you? These are the concepts that you need to use: skills, loadout, context, memory, and all. You can see the 5 level of AI usage. Use AI with no context, copy paste prompt. Use a context, add skills. So even you heard right now, there is skills. AI knows how to do specific tasks perfectly. Full loadout, AI is a specialist that improves over the time. This is a simple concept of loadout which I created for myself. That's why I have shown you. You can go, you can check this repo also, and you will get everything that you need in proper structure way, with proper templates and file and all the skills that you needed. I worked super hard to do all these things. Yeah, how to do loadout with GitHub? Simple. So just create your own loadouts also. Loadouts is simple, like I told you, right? Here AI is a specialist that improves over the time. Here I have added a template. You can go, you can check all the template, click over here. It is just a one more better step concept as compared to skills. Skills fix, but loadouts it knows. You can see all these things. Just copy and paste, download and set up with your copilot. You need to give a context. Loadout is nothing about a like context, but in a more smarter way. For example, it will again and again update itself every single time you are going to do that. Just download the file, update it inside that folder, so it can access your file. Basically, you have to give a context, and that's where people who are not able to build anything using AI, that is where you guys are lacking. You are using GitHub Copilot, right? Now you can use plain any label predefined in Claude. I didn't get it. Any label predefined in call. It's just dot. I think it's just a dot context. Yeah. So in terms of Claude skill, Claude context, that's where I already defined that you have to use. So if I'll show you here also, you can see what we have. We have Claude dot agent rules skill. So inside rules, I have added already. And then if you can see, we have so many other things also. that dot Claude like personas and all. So I'm using so many things. Yeah, code similar kind of loadouts. So basically you have to prompt it as well inside, the roles and skills. Okay, every single time whenever you are starting, use it. Here you can see we have context also. So we have given a context. These kind of things we are using all these files. So it works just like skills. Skills, right? You are aware about skills. How it does? Whenever it is coming anything related to that, it will use that skill. If I wanted to create a PDF, it will use that skill. If I wanted to create a website, and if you added that skill, okay, to create a website, what do you need? CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, and sorry, CSS and kind of proper like tailwind and proper interface. And if you have added, that will use simple. So that's how Claude use agent loadouts, all the memory, all the context we have already given. So whenever similar will come, it is going to use automatic. I'll show you in my VS Code also. Right now, I'm using all these concepts in VS Code directly, and there I have downloaded Claude Code CLI. So that's how I use, and that is really great, more better than anything. Okay, fine, guys. So yeah, so you can see that's how we build things just by talking to AI. What you can learn from this? Talk to like human and all these things. And already I have given so much file, so we can see this and we can learn about it. Now let me directly come. Let me show you something. Yes. So here my screen is visible to everyone. Okay. So that's how I use. If I'll show you here, you can see this is my VS Code. That's where I added each and everything that I needed. And if you see every single file, this is main file, main branch. Then I have dot agent. Inside dot agent rules, skills. Okay, what type of skills? It's my own also. It's also from internet also. It's also from Claude as well. Then workflows as well. Okay, then dot Claude. Then we have different personas that I added. So that's how I structure all these things. Somewhere you will get where it is. Yeah, in each and every file, inside every folder, you can see here we have loadouts. So if it is a 90-day revenue is done, if I'll open this, you will able to see name and all 90-day revenue, what is included. You can see, right? Verification schedule, critical role, progress must be updated every. So see, progress.md must be updated every session, every revenue tracking and all, change log and all. So that's how just need to create. That's simple. Okay, just go with that repo and you will able to see. Now let's come again to our MCP concept. Now let me show you exactly. So we can connect with any platform like I told you. Okay, any platform means literally any platform, but I'll show you how to do that. Now I have this issue, though I was connected, but it got expired. So let me check what the issue is and how I fix the things and how you can do that also. Okay, so I asked it, can you send an email? And it did not send the email. Then I'll go to my MCP. Once you come over here, okay, open a new folder, copy my GitHub repo directly and ask it, copy and paste. And then, so here you have to start, okay. Hey, so I want you to use this particular skill or the file, the GitHub repo. If you want, I can give you a screenshot and file also. And I want you to start creating MCP server for me inside my system right now. And then later on, we'll connect with Claude Desktop also. So can you do that and let me know what you need? This is the prompt you have to give. Once you have given this particular prompt, it's still writing. So now I do not want you to take action on it because already we have created these MCPs and all. But can you tell me in very short, if I'll execute this, what you have done just in pointers, nothing more than that. So I can show live to the people that I'm teaching right now. I'm helping them to learn how to create MCP server, how to connect all those things. And once I'll enter, so right now what I did, I'll show you meanwhile. Okay, yeah, let me turn off. Yeah, I connected with my Claude plan. So I have max plan, but you guys can take pro plan, that's fine. Just go in Claude desktop, purchase a plan over here, and then you will able to use. So go over here, where is account, you can go and billing, yes, update or adjust a plan. That's what you can do. That's what you can do, of course. Once you come, then over here, let me show you the plan that is available. Claude pricing. And do not get confused. No one will ask cursor is good, that is good, that is good. Fine. You, if you want to create something in your life, you want to build something, just go and buy this plan. That's all. Ignore everything else. Keep testing and trying. All you can do, you can use anthropic, not anthropic, like anti-gravity. That you can also use. Just I'm saying very fast. Yeah. So you can see this is the plan that we have. This is pro free plan. In free plan, you will not able to do anything. You will not able to connect MCP. You will not able to connect so many things. So just invest $17. Then only you will able to use. You need to pay $17, not 17. I think where it is. If you go with monthly, and that's how we'll go. Try Claude. You will able to see we need to pay. I already paid. That's why it's coming. You need to pay $20. So invest that much. That is needed. Very much needed. Fine. So pay that. All right. And once you have paid, come over here. Download the VS Code. VS Code is totally free of cost. So again, we'll go in internet and we'll search here. VS Code download. Whether you are MacBook user, desktop user, just download VS Code. Anyone can do that now. Anyone. Even if you are in 5th class and you know English, that's all. That's all you need. Just go, click and download. Once you have downloaded, install it, then done. Once you will install, come back over here. Here you can see extension, right? Once you open, just click extension, search Claude. Claude Code, and you will able to see, just download, install, and you are done. Once you have downloaded, then we are cool. Here you can see in left side, we can see all the folder that is available in our system. You can create new folder also through here. You can create new file, you can create new folder, whatever you wanted, and just say hi. Once you will say hi, it will ask you to connect with your account, connect with your pro plan, and you will able to use this system. Simple. That's all you need to pay $20 for pro plan. Okay, fine. So here you can see, right? What I asked it, I simply ask if you have to work for me again to create an MCP. So let me look at your existing MCP setup. In your case, you will be having my MCP setup. Just copy and paste, download and give it to it. Then done. It will do everything. Once you come down, okay, here's your super short summary of what you have built with MCP ready. The pattern, it already given and all. How to connect, you can see it has given all the file and all the instructions, how to connect, same configuration everywhere. MCP servers, server name, command, argue, env file. Env is technically where you are going to keep your all the APIs, keys and connections and everything. Configuration location, Claude desktop, cursor, Claude, everything. You can see we have connected everywhere. The timeline, fine, ignore timeline. The key insight for a student, without MCP, AI says here what, here without MCP, AI says here how to send an email. With MCP, AI actually sends the email, right? The difference you got, guys, like with MCP, it will able to send your email also. That is a kind of automation it did for you, just with the help of simple MCP. Okay, fine. Now let's come back over here again and let's see. So let me go back to my Claude desktop and let me so here. So can you see, I think it is failing my to send an Gmail and all. So let's fix this again. What do you think? What could be the potential reason? and you will see it is going to answer me, and then we'll fix. Meanwhile, I'll tell you also how you can connect with those things. So every single time to connect with MCPs, what you need proper credentials. And who will guide? This will guide. So for example, yesterday I connected with Facebook ad. So I needed token, I needed credentials from there. I went there and I just grab it and I give it, and it connected with my what? With my Google ad as well. So most likely cause, okay. So you can see, looking at the screenshot, the issue is clear. Your email automation and attend connector has expired auth token. Okay, root cause the Gmail auth refresh. That's fine. Email automation. Okay, fine. No. Okay. So now you can see we need to go over here. Okay. Sort term. Go to. So to get and to connect with MCP, this is all you need. Learn it properly, and then you are done. What we need proper uh, secret code, and what we need more, secret code and client ID. That all we need. So we can connect with any, like if you wanted to connect with your Gmail, your sheet, your drive, in that case we need those credentials, those things. So even if I'll show you as well, so you can see here we have calendar and MCP and all, and it's written properly, each and everything. Of course, this is being written with the help of it is in Python with the help of AI only. No. Okay. So we need credentials and all. I'll show you that how you can get that, and then we'll show you in real time how you can do this. So all you need to come in console.cloud.google, create your account. It is free initially. You do not need to pay anything. So what it will do, it can help you to send your all the Gmail files, emails, calendar, drive, sheet. It can connect with any part. Right now already I have, okay, cursor MCP. You can see, if I have to create again, which I'll delete later on, just for testing I'm doing it. So all I need to do, click on new project. Once you have click on new project, live class, first March. Okay, just click on create live class 1st March, where just click on cloud.console, create new project, and then done. Once you click on create, it is started creating like this. Just wait for a few seconds and you will able to see. Select a project, then done. Once it is selected, you can see what we need to do. We need to go over here, search Gmail APIs, Gmail API. We need to click on enable. Okay, once we click on enable, you will able to see it is going to take us in one file. I'll show you. This is done. Okay, click on, once you are here, click on create credentials. So you need to create an app. Okay, so which Gmail API? Fine. Let me click here directly. Click on, come over here. So once you are here, click over here in all these screens, click on get started, give it an app name, live class 1st March. What we are doing, we are getting credentials so we can connect with our Gmail, Drive, Google Sheet, anywhere. That is the only, the part that you have to do. Rest part is already done with the help of AI. External, click on external. This is basically the audience. If you are Google Workspace. If you are just external, keep external, then done. Okay, contact information, same we can keep. Agree, continue, create. Once this is done, now click on create auth client. Right now we are creating for desktop, right? So click on desktop app. Again, click on create. So what we got? We got here client secret, just copy. So you can add directly .env file also. Okay, right now just I'm testing and trying. So you can add inside .env file also. Hey, can you create one folder under your own live classes? Or let me create manually also. You do not need to do this. So let me go here and let me add Euron. We have under Euron we have live classes, and under live classes let me create one file, not file, let me create a folder. So this is file, this is folder. Let me create a folder, MCP live test. Fine. So I created this. So I've created one folder under Euron live classes at the rate MCP Euron MCP live MCP MCP live test, where I will be adding Google credentials. So create .env file and all the other file, so we can test with new MCP, and we can add that to inside Claude desktop later. So just this is the prompt that I have given. I can of course use voice as well, and you will see it is going to do everything whatever I have asked. Let me check. Okay, it's going to check, and then we'll add all the credentials that needed to be added over there, but it's empty. And so that's how the real AI works. Can you see? So with the help of AI and with the help of you can see it's created .env file. That's great. Even I could have created directly also by clicking over here, but that's fine. You can see that how we use AI to work for us. And same method you can connect with any tool, any tool. If you do not know how to connect, even you have to ask this AI, and this is going to give you step-by-step guidance. So you can see it's writing code as well. Meanwhile, so you can see it has written Google MCP Pi as well, right? If I'll show you, here you can see Google MCP server, Gmail plus calendar tool, send email, create, craft, run Python, Google.mcp and all. And here you can see it has written all the code. If you will read, of course, you can understand. But yeah, this is so many lines of code. We do not need to read even. We'll just see the outcome. And create read.me with setup and all. So it is going to, here you can see it created read.me also. So we can see with proper guidance. Here you can see Google MCP server, Gmail plus calendar. And yeah, this is so cool, right? That's how you need to set up. Now once this is done, let me go over here .env, and what we need, you can see Google auth credentials. And okay, test. So let me go here, let me copy client secret. So guys, here you have two methods you can add over here also. Okay, client secret directly .env, which you need to follow always. uh, can you add file what kind of credentials we need to add? So basically it will add client code, client secret, but it will give in proper correct format that it understands. Though it can fix everything on its own, even if you going to give it in a rough language also, or I can copy paste here as well. But I'm showing you some better method, like production level method. So here you can see it has added all the things with proper guidance. And you add this from Google tokens also, no, that's fine. Let me add here client secret, download JSON. I can add this also directly inside that file. Okay, if I'll go in my download. Okay, I like this. All right, I can copy paste over here also. And I'll go here. It's done. It's created. Click over here. Once you go inside that, we need, here you can see client secret, that is also there. We can also, once it is there, let me drop that as well. Client secret, it's already there. Client secret is there. We need client ID. So here we have client ID. Here you can see this is a client ID. This is what we need to put as well. We can here secret done. Here client ID, and let me know if anything more. So it is going to set up on its own. Meanwhile, let us give an approval. Okay, renamed. It's okay. So renamed. Okay, done. The will open a browser. Sign up with the Google account token just created. Want me to run it for you? Wait. Now we can run manually also. We can ask AI also to run. Now we need to do few things as well. Once it is saved, we need to go over here in data access and click on add or remove scope. We need to do this, and otherwise you will not able, like it will not able to. So once you go over here, you can see we have Gmail APIs, right? That's fine. So we need to add, just click here 100. Let's add it, let's save, update it. Now it will unsave. Once it is saved, so it will able to access, otherwise it is going to throw an error. Fine. Once you click on client, audience, here we need to add test user also. So add test user. Otherwise, again, it is not going to work. Let's save it. I can add multiple account as well. So that's how you have to get, and you have to set up this credentials. Otherwise, gmail.com. Done. Okay, this is done. Two things. Let me get an access of calendar also. So we are connecting with Gmail, Google Calendar, and all those things. We are creating MCP, so our system has an access of your Gmail calendar. So for that, we need Google Cloud credentials. That's what we are trying to create, and we are trying to give access. And also, it can have your Google Calendar access. It has your Drive access. It has your Sheet access. It has your Gmail access, and you can send directly messages using your Claude Code, MCP, anything, anywhere. Okay. Now, if you go auth consent screen again, here we do have data access is fine. Let's click again on audience. Here, just click on data access, click on add and remove scope. Save it. Just save it. Once this is done, okay, it's done. Now let's go back over here. Okay, now run browser. So it is going to install dependency, then it is going to run our browser, and we'll just connect and we'll able to use directly. Fine, guys. No, so it's going to run. So yeah, like gaming YouTube. So that already we have MCP already created. Now we are just trying to connect with our system. We are not creating authentication. Flow has completed. You can close the browser. That's done. Now let's go back here. So MCP is already created. We are not creating MCP for Google. We are connecting Google with our MCPs. Everything working here. So status credentials, done, done. Okay, okay. Can you check? Now can you check our latest last two emails? Because whenever you are going to connect with Google Workspace, you need their client secret client ID. Without that, you will not able to get access directly, right? Okay, we got an email also, right? This is so cool, guys. Look at here. If someone wanted to test and try, give me your mail and I'll send you mail directly from here, whatever text you will say. So even if you guys can put your email, I'll send you mail directly, or let me send directly email to my ID as well. So let me go over here and let me Gmail. Right now you can see the last email is this 12:30. Yeah, tell me FPS highlight. Send mail to dhruv7008 @gmail.com. Send email to dhruv7008 and ask Claude live class is going on. Yeah, sure. I will. Okay, so email sent, and if I'll take you here, Let me refresh. Yeah, this is cool, right? It's send an email. Send via Google MCP server. We can remove this as well. But yeah, this is cool. Testing is done. Now, same if I have to install in my cloud also, either I can go manually, I can upload the file, or great. Now, can you set up this to in my uh, cloud desktop? So I can test from there as well. Keep new name like a live class testing Gmail MCP, something like that. After that, after after that we can remove this or delete this particular file. Fine guys, now you will see it is going to set up in my desktop also, and yeah, available to you. So that's how you have to do. Now you have set up one MCP. You can set up with your Joe CRM, with your Facebook ad, Meta ad, everywhere. All you just need to do, add the credentials. That's all. So it is going to set up inside my Cloud Google like Cloud desktop also. Now restart the Cloud and it's done. So if I'll close, let me close. Here, done. And if I'll show you here, connectors, can you see live class Gmail MCP? Great. Okay, check live class Gmail MCP and tell me my recent email. So guys, this is all. If this could have been done 6 months ago, 1 year ago, this might have taken a lot of time. That was so overwhelming and so frustrating for me. But now you can see I'm able to fix in a real time in front of you. That is the use of AI, right? Okay, so you can see I got already all the mails. Great. Can you send, hey, Claude desktop MCP is working to email Dhruv Tomar @aiwiththruv.com. Though this mail does not exist, but this is going to send because we are asking. Let's click on always allow. Done, email send. And if I'll show you, see the beauty guys, like that's how you all have to use AI. And this is all we are going to teach in live class also. You can see already send the mail, hey, Claude desktop MCP is working. Cool, right? Now you can say I have so many connectors and all. Few are directly connected, few are with MCPs, but I can do that. Can you just let me use my voice command? Hey, just can you list down all those MCP we have connected and what are the purpose and use of those things? What we can do with the help of that? Just in short. And you will see it is going to give you an answer. So guys, I think clear, right, to all. There are few characters that you can do directly. You can see live class, email, Gmail, calendar, Google, N8N, N8N MCP, Gamma. Also I connected with Gamma as well. Generate presentations, docs, web pages and all. Vercel. Okay, on-site data, ads, everything. Agent loadouts and all these things. Great. Now one MCP is done. Gaming YouTube, already I given you multiple times reply, pre-recorded videos. Can't you see the timing? Look at the timing. Fine. It's AI world. No need to send any pre-recorded videos. Fine. Now if I had to add one more, if we have to add one more MCP, like I already added with my Google Ad, Zoho CRM and all. This is how I'll exactly do, and you can do on your own, right? So if I had to add my, so can you tell me or just create new MCP servers files inside same file to connect with my Facebook ad account and tell me what you need. That's all. It is going to write a code. It just needed a credentials. Just go give a credentials and done. Enjoy. That's all. Okay. That's all. Give me just a second. Someone is asking, do this, create MCP server for. Already I created Jarvis and those things a lot. Integrate the Mac OS using commands, then you can control your Mac using AI. Yeah, that's great. That will also do in a real time. Okay. Just yes. So here you can see Gemify, search on Google. Gemify. Gemify. Let me search Gemify. Gemify. Okay, is this one? Stream music with style. Listen to music like never before. Oh, that's cool. It looks good. Get started. Download APK. We'll check. This is cool. Yeah, this is also great. You added a slide. You just added Vercel.app and all. That's fine. I think, are you using vibe coding or are you doing on your own? How? Because you can improve all these things very well. You go and check this one also, kotahit.com, the same way I created. The same, it is also deployed on Vercel, but yeah, fine. So you can test that also. We are doing so many same things in our community as well. You're on or everything we are creating. This is also cool, bro. You can just change the domain and just try to give it people, monetize whatever you want to do. Fine. So here you can see, right? So now it will create the MCP server for your ad also. Then it is going to ask access token that you needed. Just go and get access token, account ID, business ID. This is all you need. And once it is done, you will able to get all the access of your entire data also. The same way you can connect with your CRM, the same way you can connect with anything that you can imagine. Fine, guys. So yeah, this is the concept that you all need to do. Okay, everyone. You can connect with any MCPs. You can create anything in a real time. And I think, okay, so I'll create later on, but yeah, here like gaming YouTube was asking, do this create MCP server for the interacts with Mac OS using commands? Then you can control using your Mac also. So we can do that also, right? We can do that as well. Let me just where is my lens? Find. Let me copy text. Yeah, great. Same. Can we do that? Don't take action. Just let me keep it in plan mode. And you will see it is going to do that also. And of course, we can create that too. Interesting idea. An MCP server that gives Claude control over your Mac. Let me explore the code base pattern and design this properly. And you will able to see it is going to do that also. That simple it is. Nothing is very, very difficult. Meanwhile, this is doing this, guys. First of all, here you have the resources. You can go, you can check, you can download. Let me show you here. Let me give you in comment also here. Plus, we are going to start our live classes future. Here you can see future proof AI automation, where we are going to discuss so many things. It is on Saturday, Sunday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. Come over here, join us. We have community, we have group. There we can connect live, we can discuss with each other. Okay. You can see we are going to cover so many great use cases: automation thinking, design system, AI as your system designer, AI assistant, is so many things, right? Even how to get a client, how to make a client, how to create your brand, all those things we are going to take all the use cases. Here you can see, right here, GitHub clients, getting clients, closing deals, scaling, how companies buy automations, career, clients, builds, business, portfolios, personal brand, all these things we are going to discuss in a live class. There will be a live class. Plus we are providing already, if once you join this, you are going to get so many tokens also over here, which you can use on a daily basis to do all the things that you needed to do. Fine, it is researching, it is doing all these things. Okay, let me allow. And yeah, that's how we can use all this system. Fine, guys, I'm able to explain that how to connect to your entire system, right? Let's connect in the next class. We'll upload some more videos about all these things. Let me know in the comment how you like these, videos and series. So we'll keep adding these videos if you wanted. Okay, so my whole and sole purpose is you can do anything using AI. And it is just load out MCP. Okay, fine. That's done. Meanwhile, let me go and let me close that also. Where it is. Finagling. So many terms over here. Percolating. Hmm. It already did research. It's just designing all the implementation plan. So that's how, by the way, guys, we create any system. Okay, now let me write the final plan. It's just thinking and writing all the plans. Now I have comprehensive risk from both agents. Let me write the final plan to plan the file and call exit plan mode. So what we are doing, just we have taken one comment, like we can control our system with the help of MCP, we can create or not. So that's what I have just given. And yeah, this is an approach. Now you can see, no, wait. So you will able to see it all already did all these things. This is great. I'll just ask wait, so it can wait. Okay, take your time, and this is the plan. So you can see Mac OS control MCP server context. Build an MCP server that lets Claude control your Mac. Open apps, toggle dark mode, adjust volume, take screenshots, search files, send notifications, etc. This goes in the MCP live test. Folder agnostics, the Gmail and FV and all and done. What gets created? One new file, Euron, one configured, no external dependencies, 15 tools, get system info. You can see all these tools and all. This is so cool. Safety, no arbitrary cell executions, no destructive command, 10 seconds timeout, app name, all these things, implementations, cloud desktop configurations, okay, verifications, files, and we are done. Now just I have to say, go ahead and it will start working. Of course there might be some issues, some things that we need to fix, but that can be done. That's easy it is. Fine guys, so even you guys can take an example, taken as a kind of project also. Just go create on your own and let us know in the comment if you have are able to create, and if you are facing any issues, if you will let me know, I'll able to help. Okay, then guys, thank you for joining. Let's connect very soon in the live classes also, and let me know in the comment how these classes helping you. Fine, and if any questions, any doubt you have, let's connect in the next class. Thank you for watching. Thank you all to join. Bye.